This is your painter's pole. This is important to your job. Just make sure you're using the full length of the pole as needed. If you need it shorter because you have longer arms or vice versa, just make sure you're utilizing the full capacity of the tool. Loading your paint roller is an important step. Don't be afraid in this process of putting on too much paint. You cannot put enough paint on your roller. When applying paint to your roller, be sure that you're always pushing your roller towards the paint, not towards yourself. This will prevent any drips over the edge of your paint tray. Take a moment above your paint tray and spin your roller. This will prevent drips as you move from your roller tray to your wall. Now we're painting. First step, put your roller on the wall. I want you to put all your paint to the middle, and then from there I want you to work your paint from top to bottom. This process in the paint world is called unloading your roller. Now that you've unloaded your paint, you'll begin to notice your roller is semi-dry. With your dry roller, I want you to begin back to the original point of rolling, and now begin to spread your paint from top to bottom in even bars. Using this process allows the paint to dry more evenly. If you follow these processes from start to finish, you will have a completely symmetrical and beautiful wall. I'm gonna be real with everyone right now. We've been recording for hours. We're getting ready to roll walls and teach you how to roll. If you could go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our channel, man, would it be a big help. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this was helpful for you. If you missed our previous video on how to cut the perfect line, you can watch that by clicking here.